Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can add customers to your WooCommerce whenever there is a sale on your Thrive cart. Now, whenever you are having a sale on your Thrive cart account, what will happen? Whenever somebody purchase a product, the details of that person would be sent to your WooCommerce account and a new customer would automatically be created so that you can use those customer details later on for other products and for promotional offers as well. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service Pably Connect, which will help us connect Thrive Cart and WooCommerce together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to type in pably.com/connect, and as soon as we will do that, we will be redirected to this page when we will press enter. Here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. If you already have an account, you have to go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So I already have an account, so I will just go for sign in, and here I will just go for login. And as soon as I will do that, you can see here are some of my softwares. Now here I'm just going to go for access now for Pably Connect. Now what will happen, a new window will open in few seconds, few milliseconds, and here you can see I have all these automations already made here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a new workflow to create a new automation. So here I am going to click on create workflow, and now here I am going to give my workflow a name. Okay, so now we are going to give it the name Thrive Cart to WooCommerce. Okay, now here I am just going to click on create. You can name it whatever you want to, it's completely up to you. And here what we are going to do, you can see we have two windows here. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. Now what we are going to do here, first we are going to choose Thrive Cart because we are initiating from Thrive Cart. And here what we are going to do, we are going to have product purchase. Now we will just click on connect and then add new connection. Now it is asking you for the API key, and you have to put the API key into this box, and from where you are going to get this API key, you can see this is the instruction which you have to follow to do that. I am just going to tell you how it's done. Go to your Thrive Cart account, then click here, go to settings. From here go to API and webhooks, and from here you can see webhooks and notifications. Above that above that you can see API keys. So just go for API key, and here you can see I have so many API keys. I'm just going to create a new API key, but for that I have to delete one API key because this is the trial account and I can only have 5 API keys. So let me just delete one. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to go and create a new API key, and here I am going to give the name. So here I am connecting Thrive Cart to WooCommerce. Now here just click on create API key, and now click on, before clicking on close, first copy it and then click on close. So just go here, paste it and click on save. Now as soon as you will do that, you will see here we have all the list of the products which we have in our Thrive Cart account. And here we are doing it for the test mode. So what we are doing, we are doing laptop bag. So here let me just show you my products. So here this is the laptop bag, and we are going to purchase this product here. So I'll just go for laptop bag, test mode, and save and send test request. Now as soon as I will do that, it is waiting for the response. Now what is this response? Whenever I will make a purchase for this laptop bag here, a response will automatically be captured here in this account. So let's just go here, click on get URL. Buy now. And now here you can see we have to fill up this information. So I'm just going to fill up my information here. Arpit, last name is Sharma, email address is arpitsharma4321@gmail.com. Phone number, I'm using a dummy number here. Billing address India, state is Madhya Pradesh, street address is Rose Street, city Bhopal, zip code is 462001, and shipping address is the same. Choose shipping, admin shipping, main product, paying information, copy card number, paste card number, put here, and complete order. Your card security code is incomplete. Okay, I'm really sorry for that. Complete order. And as soon as I will do that, you will see when you will see. It is taking some time. So let's just let it take some time. Now you can see here, we have made a test payment, total $11. Laptop bag is this. Now we will just go back to Pabbly Connect, and here it was waiting for response. And within few seconds, we are going to have our response here. And you can see this is our response here. You can see Thrivecart account Pabbly. This is the laptop bag. And this is the name of the person, Arpit Sharma. And this is the email, arpitsharma321@gmail.com. This is the number. And these are all the informations we have got from our Thrive account. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add customer to our WooCommerce. So we are just going to click on WooCommerce here. And now we will go for add new customer. Now here we are just going to click on connect, and here I will go for add new connection. Now it is asking us for the consumer key, consumer secret, and website URL. So website URL is very simple. You have to enter the website URL without ending slash. So let's just go to our WooCommerce. This is our WooCommerce. Copy this. Go and paste it here. So, okay, I'm really sorry. I copied and pasted it full. So we have to copy till WP3. So just copy this, paste it here without the ending slash. Now consumer secret and consumer key, from where you are going to get this. So to create or manage keys for a specific WordPress user, go to WooCommerce setting, advanced REST API, and then click the add key button. In the next screen, add a description, select the WordPress user you would like to generate the key for, and choose read write access from permission field. So what we are going to do, we are going to WooCommerce, then we'll go for settings, okay, this is the general settings. We have to go to the settings of WooCommerce. So go to WooCommerce and then go to settings. Now here you have to go to advanced. Then you have to go to REST API and click the add key button. So go here, go to REST API. And then what we have to do, we have to add the key. So add the key. Now here you can see description. We have to give the description as it is written here, that add a description, select the WordPress user you would like to generate the key for, and choose read write access from the permissions field. So go here. Description is Thrivecart to WooCommerce. User is this, read and write, generate API key. As soon as you will generate API key, you can see this is the consumer key. So just copy that consumer key and paste it here. And you can see this is the consumer secret. Copy the consumer secret and paste it here. Now just click on save. And as soon as you will click on save, you will see that your WooCommerce account is now connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use a technique which is called mapping, and we will use the details from this window here, all the details from this window here, and we will use those details here in this field. So through mapping, I'm just going to map in the email address first. Okay, first name. So let's just map in the first name, which was Arpit. Last name is Sharma. So where is Sharma? This is Sharma. Username. If you want to put username, you can put username. It's completely up to you. I'm not using any username password. So Okay, you have to put the username and password of your account, of your WooCommerce account. So let me first fill in the rest of the information. And here, so here billing first name is again Arpit. Billing last name is again Sharma. We have got a lot of fields to fill. Billing company, I do not have any company, so I'm not using it. Billing address one. So billing address was Rose Street. Billing address 2 was I do not have any billing address 2, so let's leave that. Billing city is Bhopal. So Bhopal. Billing state is Madhya Pradesh. So let's just go for Madhya Pradesh. Billing postcode 462001. Billing country is India. Do we have India here or not? Yes, we have. Billing email, again the same email, arpitsharma4321@gmail.com. Billing phone, the dummy number which I used, this one. And now you can fill shipping first name, last name, shipping company, shipping address as the same as we did here. So I'm not going to fill that. It is taking a lot of time and I do not want to consume your time. So I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you will see that we will have a new customer in our WooCommerce account. So let's just see that. It is taking some time. And you can see now this has received a response ID 666. Date is this, date modified, first name, last name, everything. Let us just go to our WooCommerce account and let us just go to customers directly. And let's see if we have a new customer or not. So here we should have Arpit Sharma. So let us just refresh it. Now you can see I have this Arpit Sharma 4321, username, date registered is March 24, and this is my email arpitSharma4321@gmail.com. So friends, this is how you can connect your Thrivecart to your WooCommerce, and whenever a new product will be purchased from your Thrivecart account, a new customer will get added to your WooCommerce account automatically. And this automation is a very, very, very useful, and it can do wonders for your business if you're using it efficiently. Now, if you want to clone this workflow into your account, you can just go to my description box and you can clone it into your account from there. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait. Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.